Hey guys, it is Saturday here in West Virginia, and I have a Matchbox set to show you. Supposedly, it's a Walmart exclusive. It's a 6-car set, each individually packaged. And before we get on with it, I'd like to apologize that I have not had any high-end like chase stuff or really good premium sets for you guys lately. This year is horrible compared to last year. I have not found much this holiday season. I thought it was really going to pick up around October, but it really didn't. I am not even finding any good premium sets from Hot Wheels to show you guys. We have a lot of leftover stuff when they had that exotic MV sidekick. We have a lot of leftover stuff from it, and then the sidekick that they had with the Boulevard remakes of the popular ones from 2023, the LBWK ER34 and the white Land Cruiser, or not Land Cruiser, but 4Runner, sorry. And the Mercedes, we saw some Mercedes and some Subarus left over on the peg, so they're not stocking any of that stuff. And all the M2 stuff we've been getting is like 2 months old, and they keep restocking the same stuff over and over again. I'm hoping that it gets better this coming week, since it's going to be the biggest shopping week of the year, especially on Black Friday. I'm hoping to get stuff before Black Friday, though, because it's just chaos trying to shop on Black Friday, especially hunting for chase stuff or treasure hunts or anything like that. It's kind of pointless. But I've done it before and I'll do it again. But anyways, I'm just getting what I can to show you guys. And some of the stuff is cool, even though it's not like premium. This is just like mainline stuff. But it is a really cool set. This is the first one in the set, and this is a pretty cool casting because most of the time when we see a 1963 Chevy Corvette, it's always the coupe with the split window, because that's what made this year famous, was the split window. And it was the second gen for Corvette, the C2, and the first year for it, and that split window made this car very popular. But to see it in convertible, it's not too often that we see them like this, because the split window making them so popular. Most companies want to make that one that everybody knows because they know they'll sell a bunch of them. But yeah, this guy, the only way to really tell it's a 63 is the horizontal, not louvers, but kind of vents in the fender. I think that the 64 had the exact same thing. So once again, it's kind of hard to tell. There's probably some other little details that make a 63 and 64 distinguishable between one another. But I don't know them. In 65, they started the vertical 3 vents, and they did that in 65 and 6, and then in 67 they did, I don't know, it was like 4 or 5 vertical vents, and then 68 came to C3. But anyways, I'm not a huge Corvette guru, so I don't know. But I do know this silver paint with the red interior is beautiful. That is a wonderful color combo. I always loved the old muscle cars, black with a red interior, but the silver with the red interior is really nice too. Even the red interior in a white car really makes a white car more appealing, in my opinion. Love the red interior. But this is number 1 of 6. Supposedly this is a Walmart exclusive set, but I'm not sure on that. I did not get that information direct from Matchbox. I just got it from other collectors that have been posting these up for sale on eBay and what people posted on Google and other social media things. So number 2 in the set is another one that looks really good. And to point it out, these wheels on this car look really good, because these originally had like knockoff wheels, but they were turbine style wheels. But yeah, this does look really good with the black center and the knockoff in the middle with the chrome trim ring. They nailed it with wheels for this car for being a mainline plastic wheel. And I was going to say the same thing about this one, because these almost look like the original mid-70s Cadillac hubcaps or wheels that were on the Eldorado. It looks really good. And that metallic green is beautiful. A lot of metal flake in this paint. You can even see it with my bad lighting in here. It's a very beautiful paint job. This would look good with a set of gold wire spoke wheels on it with the green. And the white interior looks good on the green. And not a lot of detail on the headlights or tail lights on these. Same thing with the Vette. The Vette has some detail on the tail lights, though. And one more thing I wanted to point out on the Vette, it has a vanity plate. And let's see. A Vette 327. That's pretty cool. And that's what it would have been in there. They would not have had a big block in these until 65, so they would have been 327s, most of them. And does this one have a vanity plate? No, he does not. So moving from number 2 to number 3, which is a modern muscle machine, and that is your not 19, but 2016 Chevy Camaro convertible. And this one is done up very nicely. Beautiful detail on the tail lights and emblems on the back deck lid. And this also has a vanity plate. This says Camaro, but still cool. And the wheel choice on this one is another good one because it looks like something you would see on a modern car. Love these 5-spokes from Matchbox. They look good on a lot of different cars. And the grille and headlights are done very nicely. The gold bow tie in the grille looks really good. Casted in mirrors is another selling point. Nice interior detail too. Very nice casting. Those wheels look really good on their Challenger and Charger castings and their Durangos, everything. Those wheels look good on a lot of stuff. Moving along to number 4, another Camaro, but one of the first gens. This is a 1969 Camaro SS396 convertible, big block car, and not a lot of good detail on the front of it or back of it. The front and rear are black plastic to kind of go along with the base. They're made, the front area and rear area are made to the base. The wheels look pretty good though, same wheels that were on the Vette. Not too bad. The Ord color is awesome with the front, I guess I would call them like hockey stripes that go to the center of the door. But not a bad looking casting though. As I said, for a mainline, you can't be too picky. They're only $1.18. Yeah, that's another thing about this set too. They kept it at the same price as the mainline stuff. Not like a lot of the Hot Wheels, or I think all the Hot Wheels semi-premium or just any type of separate set. Or they're usually $2.97 or $3 something each. Even the July 4th cars were overpriced and not that good looking. They were just main lines. They're still hanging on the pegs at our Walmart, and actually we just got them last month. They were a little bit late. That's like I was saying, everything at our store is just old stuff basically. Now this is, I think I skipped a couple here. Let's see, we were on number 4, sorry. Okay, this is the last one. We want to do this one next for you. This is number 5 of 6, and this is your 2018 Ford Mustang convertible. Once again, has those 5 spokes, but they're done in like a black chrome finish. That looks really good, actually. Nice detail on the back with the GT emblem and the tail lights, and this says Wild Stang on the plate. And the 69, I keep forgetting to look at the plates. The 69 didn't even have a plate, so we don't have to worry about that. And the headlight area is done up nice. The grill is nicely done with the honeycomb and the horse in the middle, but the horse would have been chrome on a real one. But this is part of the interior, so they don't add much detail to it. But the blue on this thing looks really nice on the dark charcoal color interior. Nice looking car. And then last but not least is the oldest one of the set, and that is the 1953 Buick Skylark convertible in like a bluish silver metallic color with a red interior. Looks pretty cool. Very contrasting though. I would have guessed more of like a white or black interior would have went better with this color, but back in the 50s and 60s they did a lot of stuff that was contrasting with one another, like red interiors in a blue car. So something just like this. But yeah, anyways, these are a really cool little set that's cheap. And I'm not sure how popular they're going to be, but I know my Walmart, when I went back earlier today, they had a couple of these left, but not a complete set. On the day I got these was, I think, Thursday, and they had a few complete sets there. So people grabbed them up as quick as they were put on the pegs. But as I said, we haven't been getting a lot of stuff. So if you're getting a lot of new stuff and this happens to pop up, I'm not sure. They may sit there for a while, but at our store, they are not pig warmers, that's for sure. But anyways, on the back side, I didn't show you this at first. I'll show you now as we close. It shows you all 6 cars. There's no like hidden chase or anything like that like Hot Wheels does. So that is it for our show for today, guys. And we will be back on Monday for Mopar Monday. And I hope you guys have a nice, safe weekend. We got some snow out there, so if you guys are getting some snow, stay warm and safe when you go out there shopping for the holidays. So, see you later, guys, and thanks for watching.